Yo, what's up, guys? This Pedro. The week has ended. Yes, let's get ready for next week. Let me start the analysis right now. Right. So, this is gold again, as usual. At the As I said last week, we have a particular junction that we expect the price to give us a confirmation for either bullishness or bearishness, and the junction was this area. I said that this area was where we will get to know if price is going to be bullish or bearish, right? So I said that if price is able to go above this, then we're going to be bullish. And then if price, holds below it, we're going to be bearish. So we've been bearish for a while now. We need more indications from this level. So we have a bullish move. Cool. Now we're waiting for Monday to the end of the week, or we're waiting for a sign. If price keeps on giving us bullishness, all right, taking out this swing high, then it's possible it's gonna go further upward, right? But we need confirmation from this particular low over here, right? So now, whilst we understand this, we will now have to keep looking at. Mind you, that this particular month, right? Before I continue, took out a swing high of the previous month's high, which was a poke into it. Sometimes this gives an indication of bullishness. Great. Now this is a daily chart, and for us to be bullish in this particular month, we need a breaker. We need a breaker. So if we're able to get something like that with this high taken out, that would be a great sign for bullishness. So let's keep that in mind. Our next view is when it comes into 4 hour, we have a breaker in 4 hour. All right, and this breaker um, is this particular one. All right, so now it has taken out the swing high. We are expecting price to give us more bullish momentum if we are going to be bullish. But there are so many things that we have to look into. We don't agree to certain setups if we don't find it in a bigger time frame. So we keep observing price and see where it really wants to go. Now, when we come into 1 hour, we could see it would give us um, a daily breakdown. All right. So from let me zoom out a little bit. So if you look at, I think Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday, so price has been giving us um, this for the whole week, right? So and trying to give us this. This area is a very significant area right now. This area is very significant. And price also created an inside bar. Inside bar is when price did not take out a low nor a high. All right. So with this inside bar concept or whatsoever, if price takes out the high, it's possible to keep going up. If price comes to take out the low of this side bar, it is possible it's going to go down. It doesn't happen all the time though, but sometimes it really works. When we look at this side, it happened, right? Inside bar, price took out the low, but still it went back up. So there are certain things we look or we confirm or we add to the analysis before we agree to that. Right. So looking at this, right? We looking at just the candlesticks themselves. Looking at gold, looking at the candlesticks itself. You could see we have a drop from here. We had a retracement coming to retrace where the low, where it broke out from. All right, so this area, we are expecting price to keep giving us sells if possible. All right, when it gives us this, then it means that our bearish sentiment is still in motion. You understand, which will make price respect or go with the inside bar concept as well. So this is what I have for gold. It's not safe to be in a trade around this area. All right, trades around this area is not safe. But if you are far in a trade, maybe here or somewhere at the top, anywhere or here, at least you should be protecting your trade around this level. But if this area is able to go further, then that is where our bullish sentiment is going to be confirmed. Right. So this is what I have Let's be cautious. Let's make the pip flow. Thank you so much. Thank you for your time. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Thank you, and all the best. Trade safe. Let's make the pip flow.